So I've got one of these little VTOL units, and they're running an 1806 motor, and as you can see, this guy's got an issue. So the motor, which is bolted onto that piece of ply, is just glued in place. So problem is, when it tipped over, landed prop down and busted that off. So I decided what I'd do is put some decent motors on there and put a different plate on there. So these are the DYS 1806 2300 kV motors, and what I've done is I've made my own motor mount. So this little motor mount's got some little dimples on it that sticks into here, and you can change the motor anytime you want. So what I had to do, as you can see here with this little piece here, I had to cut that shroud off. You can see the shroud kind of sticks out of that there, and there's the old motor. You can see that it had a bit of an issue. It had some glue go into the motor itself in there and sort of damaged that bearing. That's maybe why I couldn't get it to fly properly and it flipped over. So they are the same size. There's a different 1806 with a gold bottom, and that can go on there, but problem is that bearing's actually shot on the bottom there. So that that other motor just fell off. You can see how much glue's on it, not a lot, and have a look at it. It's not terribly good, but anyway, motor's okay on that one. But you can see there the little step. So I'll cut that off, make it flush like that one, and then we can glue our motors on. So the new motors are mounted. We'll just wait for the glue to dry, and we'll fill in the rest of that area with hot glue, and this guy here is the receiver I'm using. It's a FrSky receiver, good for about 600 or 800 meters, and it's got fail-safe, pretty light, pretty easy. So also made this little stiffening block, so it's designed to go in here on J9, stop that being crushed. So just designed that up myself and printed it. So we've actually got one in there, so it stops the aluminium tube from getting squashed down, the bolts coming loose, because that's the biggest problem with the aluminium frame, is that that squashes. So that is a custom made block to go in there and hold it. So another fix.